You'll store all of your information, both current and prior year trial balances, compliance adjustments, and provision adjustments in a multi-user SQL-based database. You can prepare your provision based on any combination of business units, legal entities, business groups, or consolidations that you choose. The interface between Excel and the database has been handled with automated data connections. There is no need to leave the familiar Excel environment to handle data transfer between the spreadsheet and the database. All data communication is done with the push of a button from within Excel. You identify the income adjustment needed, and the program logic determines where to hit the opposing balance sheet side of the entry, thus maintaining fully functioning tax basis balance sheets for your analysis of any changes in deferred balances. Because the provision module ties directly into the jData solution set, you'll leverage from prior year compliance data, which includes a full tax basis balance sheet. Additionally, since all prior year compliance adjustments are stored in the database, your prior year return to provision adjustments are brought into the current provision analysis. Since the system tracks all of your cumulative adjustments, you have access to the when, where, and why an adjustment was made. In addition to tracking your tax and GAAP books, AMT, ACE, earnings and profits, and state adjustments are tracked within the module, thus determining the taxability of current distributions, state taxable income, or your AMT position are all a part of the normal provision process. In addition to the balance sheet, the module also shows our current year income. Simply navigate to the current income line of the tax basis balance sheet and expand the row to reveal your full page 1 income along with supporting schedules. Once income adjustments have been added to your M1 lead schedule and pushed to the database, the system will propose an entry for your current and non-current deferreds, your federal and state provision for income tax, and your accrued taxes. Review the entry. If it is acceptable, then the entry can be posted from the Journal Entry tab. Footnotes to the financial statements related to the effective rate reconciliation and changes in deferred balances are supported within the provision module. The calculation of the gross deferred balances can be obtained from the book basis balance sheet and the tax basis balance sheet. If more detail is needed, then you can break down the detail by each line of Schedule L, by each subgroupings of each line of Schedule L, or by each account number. A summary of the gross deferreds for the prior year RTPs, the tax gross deferred, and the state gross deferred are included on the calc sheet. The system leverages off your existing SQL-based database servers. So if your company already has an MS SQL server, Citus SQL Anywhere, Oracle, or MySQL server, We can set up the provision module to run on your existing database server. If you do not have an existing database server, then we have a solution for you.